This video is brought to you by Skillshare. You know that moment when you're stuck in traffic, daydreaming about working from a beach in Thailand or a cozy cafe in the Alps? Yeah, you're not alone. Remote work isn't just a dream anymore. It's real, it's growing fast, and freelancing is right at the center of it. My name is Daniel, and in this video, we're diving into why now is the perfect time to start freelancing, the real pros and cons you should know before jumping in, and a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Whether you're tired of the 9-to-5 grind or just looking to make some extra cash on your own terms, this one's for you. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. Let's get into it. Why get into freelancing? Guys, the remote work economy is absolutely booming right now. More companies are hiring out-of-house workers than ever before. The pandemic changed how businesses think about talent, and that's great news for freelancers. You can work from anywhere, set your own schedule, and choose projects you actually care about. The demand for digital skills is through the roof. Whether you're into writing, design, coding, or marketing, there's work out there. Companies need help with everything from social media to web development. The best thing about it is that you don't need a fancy degree to get started in many fields. Remote work is becoming the norm, not the exception. This means more opportunities for freelancers worldwide. Geographic barriers are disappearing, folks. You can work for a company in New York while living in Thailand. AI is changing the game too, my friends. Smart people are using AI tools to work faster and deliver better results. This levels the playing field and opens up new opportunities. The gig economy is worth over $400 billion globally. That's massive growth compared to just 5 years ago. More people are choosing freelance work as their primary income source. Now, before we dive deeper into building your freelance career, let me tell you about something that's been incredibly helpful for my own creative journey. Whether you're just starting out as a freelancer or looking to expand your skill set, Skillshare has been a game changer for me. What makes it special is that you're learning directly from real, super talented, and successful creatives. These aren't just teachers. They're people who are actually doing the work at the highest level. The platform covers everything from art and illustration to design and photography. You can learn a completely new skill from scratch or level up something you're already working on. The best part is you learn by actually making stuff, not just watching videos. I love that you can go at your own pace whenever you want. Pick from thousands of classes and take them anytime that works for your schedule. Plus, you get to connect with other creatives and get feedback on your projects. Just to give you an example, I really enjoyed this Unlocking Your Potential 5 Exercises to Build Creative Confidence class by Emma Gannon. You know that feeling when you have a creative project you're excited about, but somehow keep getting in your own way? That's exactly what this class tackles. Emma breaks down the science behind self-sabotage in a way that actually makes sense. What I loved the most was how practical it is. She walks you through identifying those sneaky patterns that keep you stuck and gives you real tools to push back against your inner critic. The class is about 45 minutes and comes with 5 worksheets that actually help you work through the concepts. Emma's approach feels like getting advice from a friend who's figured some stuff out and wants to share what worked for her. But you know what's special about Skillshare classes? You can actually get addicted. I tried a bunch of other classes about productivity, social media, vlogging, and more. All this would be super valuable to someone planning a freelancing career. This is especially valuable if you're building a freelance business because the more skills you have, the more services you can offer clients. So get started today. The first 500 people to use my link in the description or scan the QR code will receive a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Get started today. Now let's get back to building your freelance empire. Let's be real here, my friends. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some amazing benefits, but also some challenges you need to know about. The freedom is incredible. You choose your clients, set your rates, and work when you want. No more asking for time off or dealing with office politics. You're the boss of your own schedule. The earning potential can be fantastic. Good freelancers often make more than their employed counterparts. You can take on multiple projects and scale your income up or down. Many people double their corporate salaries within 2 years. You get to work on diverse projects, guys. One day you might be designing a logo, the next writing blog posts. This variety keeps things interesting and helps you develop multiple skills. But here's the flip side, folks. The income can be unpredictable. Some months you'll be swamped with work, others might be slow. You need to plan for those dry spells and save money during good times. You're responsible for everything. Marketing, client communication, taxes, health insurance, it all falls on you. There's no HR department to handle the messy stuff. This can be overwhelming at first. The isolation can be tough. Working alone all day isn't for everyone. You miss out on office friendships and collaboration. Some freelancers struggle with motivation without external structure. Finding clients requires constant effort. You're always marketing yourself, even when you're busy with projects. Client acquisition never really stops in this line of work. Alright folks, let's get into the practical stuff. First thing you need to do is figure out what skills you want to sell. Look at what you're already good at or what you can learn quickly. Research the market demand for your chosen skill. Check job boards, freelance platforms, and see what clients are actually looking for. Don't just pick something because it sounds cool. Start building your portfolio while you still have a regular job if possible. This gives you financial security while you transition. Create sample projects that showcase your abilities. Set up your online presence. You need a professional website, LinkedIn profile, and profiles on freelance platforms. Make sure everything looks consistent and professional. Determine your pricing strategy. Research what others charge for similar services. Don't undervalue yourself, but be competitive when starting out. You can always raise rates later. Start networking like crazy, my friends. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and connect with other remote workers. Word of mouth is still the best marketing. Apply for your first projects. Start with smaller gigs to build reviews and experience. Don't be discouraged by rejections. They're part of the process. Create a solid contract template. This protects both you and your clients. Include payment terms, project scope, and deadlines. Never start work without a signed agreement. Set up your business systems. You need invoicing software, project management tools, and time tracking apps. These make you look professional and keep you organized. Deliver exceptional work on every project. Your reputation is everything in freelancing. Happy clients lead to repeat business and referrals. Build an emergency fund, guys. Aim for 3 to 6 months of expenses. This cushion helps you weather slow periods without panic. Keep learning and improving your skills. The freelance world moves fast and you need to stay current. Take courses, read industry blogs, and experiment with new tools. Track your finances carefully. Set aside money for taxes, invest in good accounting software, and consider hiring a bookkeeper as you grow. Final thoughts. Alright folks, if you've made it this far, you're already ahead of most people just thinking about freelancing. It's not always easy, but the freedom, flexibility, and potential it offers are totally worth it. Whether you're ready to ditch your day job or just want to try something on the side, now's a great time to dive in. And if you're feeling a little stuck or unsure where to begin, I highly recommend checking out the Skillshare classes by clicking the link below. It gave me the push I needed, and it might do the same for you. And let me know in the comments, are you thinking of going freelance? Already started? What's been the hardest part for you so far? As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.